Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prevent Windows 11 from automatically pinning folders to quick access in File Explorer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load up. Make sure everything is ready and your desktop appears before moving forward. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and you won't encounter any lag when navigating through the settings. Once your PC is completely ready, locate the Windows Start menu on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. This is your central hub for accessing applications, settings, and search functionality in Windows 11. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in "this PC" and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch a File Explorer window that displays all the drive volumes installed on your computer, including your main C:drive directory. After the File Explorer window opens, take a moment to observe the layout. On the left side of the window, you'll notice the Quick Access bar, which shows various directory shortcuts and recently accessed folders. This is the area we're going to configure to stop Windows from automatically pinning folders. From this window, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the View tab to reveal additional options for customizing how your files and folders are displayed. Within the View tab, look for a button labeled Options and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see Folder Options. Click on that to proceed. A new window titled Folder Options will appear on your screen, giving you access to various File Explorer customization settings. Make sure you're on the General tab at the top of this window, as this is where the privacy settings we need are located. Now, scroll down slightly within the General tab until you find a section labeled Privacy. This section controls how Windows handles your recently used and frequently accessed files and folders. Here you'll see two checkbox options. The first one states Show recently used files in quick access, and the second one says Show frequently used folders in quick access. These two settings are what cause Windows to automatically pin folders to your quick access menu based on your activity. To prevent Windows from automatically adding folders to quick access, simply click on both checkboxes to remove the check marks. This tells Windows to stop tracking and displaying your recent and frequent folders in that area. Once you've unchecked both options, click the Apply button at the bottom of the Folder Options window. This saves your changes and immediately applies them to your File Explorer settings. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Windows 11 from automatically pinning folders to quick access in File Explorer, giving you more control over what appears in your navigation menu. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.